try these.
These salads are so fresh and so easy to make.
My favorite part is this French blue cheese dressing. It is so good.
With Fresh Express, I could have lunch or dinner made in less than 5 minutes.
Okay everyone, I am using today the Fresh Express kit for the French blue cheese salad. It's here, it's beautiful, it's ready, super easy to mix and prep.
Check out these adorable tacos. All you need is some barbecue chicken, a bag of Smokehouse Fresh Express salad, and some taco shells.
Fresh Express salad kits are a game changer. These are so easy to make. They have so many different kits to choose from, and they are packed with flavor.